they're vintage goods. Woo!
Yeah.
I got so much excitement and adrenaline rushing through my veins right now. I think I could pick that up. Well, where's the best place for that?
Well,
Does it fit right here all nice and neat? I mean, girl math measuring. I mean, right? Oh, it'll fit. I girl math it. It'll fit. It should be right here.
that?
And then it won't have as much room to roll and all nice and tucked up and here. Hutch can go there. Maybe some. We're learning. You might have to push.
Okay.
I'm pushing. Is there enough room to fit them both like side by side? I wonder if that would be kick ass. It might if we put this part here so that way the knobs and stuff are tucked in the shelving. Maybe we might get lucky. We might get lucky. And that little son of a gun might slip right through here. I have a strong feeling. Now it's better. Woo! And honestly, the fact that this thing is touchy here, when you spin it around so that way the open bottom just sits right on. Oh, look at that! It's almost like it was meant to be, right? Huh? Well, I'll tell you. I won't fake you. Actually, yeah. Yeah. Sucking out. Beautiful. Yeah. Just so it's not wobbly. I like it. I like it a lot.